This is a work problem, and we're trying to figure out how much time does it take machine R working alone to complete a certain job. Well, this first column it represents times of machine R and S working alone. And then the second column, if we have to use that, is it represents machine R working with another machine, in this case S, and vice versa for machine S. So let's see what we know. Okay, how much time does it take machine R? So let's just call that R. That's what we're trying to find. Let's look at clue 1. The amount of time that it takes machine S working alone to complete the job is 3/4 the amount of time it takes. 3/4 amount of time it takes R. But we're trying to, that I don't know anything else. I don't know the together or anything, so I can't solve for R. So clue 1 does not work by itself. So let me erase clue 1. Now let's look at clue 2. Machine R and machine S working together take 12 minutes to complete the job. Well, together it takes 12 minutes. But that doesn't give me enough information to find out what R is. So clue 1 did not work, and clue 2 did not work by itself. So now we put the two together. So 12 minutes together, and then this is 3/4 R, and that's going to work. Because this would be 1 over R. Remember, you take the reciprocal. And this would be 4 over 3R. And this would be 1/12. And your equation would be 1 over R plus 4 over 3R equals 1 over 12. And you would be able to solve that for R. So your answer is C.